almost every field I've done, the grower, we just literally hand him, it's like a map and say, here, tell me where the different zones are in your field. And he'll say, well, this spot over here tends to be, more wet. And she'll say, this spot over here is more dry, or, and obviously you can see the slopes. If I don't have that farmer's input, the number one thing that I can use is yield maps, averaged over the years. That is incredibly valuable. So if I consistently have low yields in one part of a field, and I've got consistently high yields in another part of the field, I probably ought to be treating those things differently, including putting sensors in each one. And then I have other places in the field that's more of an average, or it's bouncing around a little bit. I probably want a sensor in that too, but that's sort of what we land on in terms of the minimum number of sensors that we use in our research is 3 zones, with sort of the high yield potential areas, low yield potential areas, and kind of moderate